The second, oh sorry, the third rule of nun sakina and tanween, which is al-iqlab. Al-iqlab. Al-iqlab fi al is also a tahwil, to change something. Tahwil shay'i an wajhihi, to change something from, to change the face of something from its original face. Yes, maybe you are holding uh, a handset, a phone. You are changing the front camera to the to the back camera. So it is just something like that. It is, the phone remains the phone, the camera remains the camera, but the point of view is then different. Now that is what is meant by tahwil shay'i and wajhi, a tahwil, to change something. Then technically, or the applied definition of al-iqlab is قلب النون الساكنة أو التنوين ميما, to change nun sakina or tanween into a meme عند الباء, when it is followed by a ba, مع مراعاة الغنة والإخفاء, with the observance of gunna and ikhfa, that is hiding of the meme, and we have just one letter. We have one letter, which is al-ba. Al-ba. Therefore, whenever ba occurs immediately after a nun sakina or tanween in a word or between two words, then the iqlab rule will apply. And it is applied by changing the nun sakina or tanween into a hidden meme with the presence of al-ghunna. Okay, with the presence of al-ghunna. This implies that iqlab can occur within a word and between two words. Okay, and this small meme shall be written on top of the nun sakina. When nun sakina is coming, is followed by ba. So instead of the sukun written boldly on the nun sakina, no, it will not be written, but the meme, there is going to be a small meme written on top of the nun sakina. And if it is tanween, we mentioned that tanween is doubled vowel, so one of the vowel is going to be taken away and the small meme is going to be written on top. If it is fatha, tanin, or will be written together with the remaining vowel. Okay, I hope that is clear. So the procedures of doing a clap, we have three essential things to note here. That is, firstly, we have to change the nun sakina and tanween to become meme, changing of nun sakina or tanween into a meme. Then ikhfa'u hadhihi al-meme 'inda al-ba', then also hiding the meme, when it is coming, when the coming after al-ba, when it is coming after al-ba. Then the third thing that we need to note is then idharul ghunna ma'al ikhfa. Then observing or showing the ghunna while hiding the meme, and this is going to be practiced in the following example. We have the verse lillahi al-amru min qablu wa min ba'di. Yes, the last thing to be noted is that while observing al-iqlab, then we have to leave a very minute and very little space in between the lips. Okay, in between the lips, in order to, we have to just to separate the two lips from each other when observing al-iqlab. So the two lips should not totally touch each other when observing al-iqlab, although many people used to read it in the sense that they touch, I mean, they use the by reading ikhfa, al-iqlab, and allowing the two lips to touch each other. So the best way is to leave a furjatun saghira, a very little space in between the two lips when pronouncing al-iqlab. لله الأمر من قبل ومن بعد ومن بعد. So it is because this is not Al-Quran, we are going to be seeing on this known sakina, this known having sukun or not having anything at all, in wamin bad, in the underlined word, a small meme. So there's going to be a small meme on the known. Okay, min bad, we are observing that is what we said, idharul ghunna ma'al ikhfa. Even though we are hiding the known sakina, we are also to apply al ghunna. Then wallahu alimun bi dhati sudur. Alimun bi, okay, sorry, I want to underline alimun bi dhati, alimun bi dhati, because this is tanween followed by al ba. Then al iqlab, the rule al iqlab is also established. Alimun bi dhati, this is in between two words as well. Then faqala anbi'uni, anbi'uni, in the word anbi'uni, this is also nun sakina followed by al ba. Then we have to observe the rule al-iqlab. We have to observe the rule al-iqlab, and this is found in within a word. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it easy for everyone of us. So we should go and practice and look for more examples of these rules, and we pronounce them correctly. Inshallah, we meet in our next class and we'll be discussing more important rules of Tajweed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.